Prices have dropped significantly from their all-time high. People are starting to lose hope. During this time of growing unpredictability, something disastrous happened. The problem was made worse by this. We may require this for a considerable amount of time, though. Many newcomers to the Bitcoin market view it primarily as a gaming platform. Trading currencies at will is something they do. It stymies the natural growth of any practical cryptocurrency project. How does BlackRock have a stake in this? In what ways is this epoch crucial for the development of cryptocurrencies? Let me clarify. Here is your daily dose of Shiba, wealthy coin. If Shiba is something that piques your interest, you have come to the right place. Stay ahead of the curve in the cryptocurrency business and get the scoop on all the newest news predictions by subscribing. Make sure you hit the like button to get more SHIB news. There has been a sudden decline in excitement surrounding the Bitcoin market. Without noteworthy developments or fresh ideas to spark enthusiasm, progress appears to be at a standstill. Things became even worse recently. Companies like BlackRock, who provide Ethereum ETFs, have sent reports. That was not a good thing. The last 8 days have seen outflows. Investors have begun to withdraw their funds, according to this. This isn't just an insignificant event, it adds to the general stagnation in the cryptocurrency industry, far from accomplishing its purpose. Even more bad news: money is being pulled out of Ethereum ETFs. The market has become even more sluggish due to the lack of new energy in these outflows. This will definitely have a major impact on other cryptocurrency projects, such as Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu has always recognized its connection to the canine domain through its dog-themed branding. This party is appropriate for the token's identity and attracts positive comments. Such engagement has the potential to reawaken community enthusiasm and pique interest in a dormant sector. The unique charm and lasting fame of the Shiba Inu are brought to mind by this. The cryptocurrency industry as a whole may be in a slump, but Shiba Inu is using the moment to boost its profile and, who knows, maybe even cement its place in the market. The effect that Shiba Inu is currently having, nevertheless, is what deserves special mention. Lately, the Shiba Inu has been getting a lot of attention. There has been a dramatic uptick in whale activity concerning Shiba Inu, according to data just added to the on-chain platform into the block. The volume of large-scale Shiba Inu transactions has increased substantially within the past day. Astonishingly, the total value of these transactions has risen from more than $19 million to almost $21 million, with a volume exceeding 1 trillion Shiba Inu. In context, there were 69 major deals, with an average of over 20 billion Shiba Inu, or around $300,000 each. To identify major transactions, we looked for those exceeding $100,000. At the moment, we are witnessing hugely significant transactions that are roughly 3 times greater. Shiba Inu prices have been fluctuating recently, and the reason for it is the uptick in whale activity. Significant investors' increased trading activity sheds light on the token's current performance. The result was a dramatic increase in the price of Shiba Inu recently. Following this surge, there was a slight selling that led to a small drop. The market saw buyers quickly return, which led to a little price gain before the trend settled. An uptick in buying activity is usually signaled by these sudden changes in price. The participation of major market players is typically indicated by a sudden spike in price. The increased volume of Shiba Inu trade supports this. Shiba Inu is obviously being watched by bulls and whales. Shiba Inu's price increased significantly by 6% over the past week, according to on-chain data. We don't know how long this boost will last. At the moment, there is a lot of focus on Shiba Inu again, not to mention how crucial this is. You may remember that I brought out the 8 days of Ethereum ETF outflows before. The story takes a dramatic turn. The current bull market cycle for Bitcoin is more powerful and extensive than any that has come before it. I am astounded. The present bull run in Bitcoin is greater than the cycles in 2015 and 2018, according to a recent report on X. Several investors are taking notice of this since it shows a considerable increase in momentum. The unpredictable nature of the Bitcoin market is highlighted by this outcome. Bitcoin is creating new standards and making a big splash, even though it's having trouble in some places. The current uncertain state of the cryptocurrency industry is illustrated by the contrast between the meteoric rise of Bitcoin and the precipitous fall of Ethereum. Even if Bitcoin is making progress, not every industry is doing well, as shown by the volatility affecting Ethereum ETFs. The current withdrawals from the Ethereum ETF may thus be seen as a minor setback on the way to bigger gains. This is a fascinating point you might have noticed. A dearth of activity on the price charts if you've been keeping tabs on them lately. The launch of Ethereum ETFs had far-reaching consequences for Bitcoin a few months earlier. In the past, the market was incredibly unpredictable and thrilling on a daily basis. Exhilaratingly, new peaks and valleys appeared daily. At this point, the scene changes. There has been no significant movement or change in the prices, which appear to be stuck in a repeated pattern. Investors accustomed to the constant thrill of daily volatility may find this change to be somewhat frustrating. After all those ups and downs, the current stability can be a letdown. Could you tell me why this is happening? An ex-user gave a detailed description. The majority of market participants are now committed for the long run, according to them. In the long run, they care less about the ups and downs of the market. Like in 2017 and 2021, excitement and anticipation tend to peak around local peaks or when Bitcoin undergoes significant gains. Nonetheless, these protracted lateral phases could prove to be advantageous. They help get rid of investors and traders who are too emotional and react too quickly to small changes in the market or news. The present flood of Bitcoin investors finds this especially relevant. A lot of people who are just starting out treat Bitcoin like a gambling endeavor, throwing money about in the hopes of making quick profits. Many cryptocurrency ventures have found it difficult to achieve stability as a result of the substantial volatility caused by this. Perhaps the market is in dire need of some calm and steadiness right now. The market may be able to build a stronger foundation in the long run if it drives out speculators and those thinking just in the short term. In the end, this could lead to a far more positive environment for everyone involved. It is possible that many cryptocurrencies, including Shiba Inu, have already reached this mark, but if we want long-term growth, Bitcoin and Ethereum will have to take the lead. This follows on from our earlier talks about Ethereum ETs. Ethereum ETF outflows might be a problem, but current market conditions suggest a period of consolidation could be on the horizon. This might lay the groundwork for a new rise if the market gets back on track and important assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum show signs of increased speed. After the Ethereum ETF outflows conclude, many think the cryptocurrency could see a major bullish shift soon. The market valuation of Ethereum might reach $3 trillion, according to some analysts. The market valuation of Ethereum has increased by over a factor of 10, reaching $334 billion at the time of this writing. Ethereum briefly surpassed a market cap of $500 billion in November 2021 during its peak bull run. Going above $3 trillion in market capitalization would be a major indicator of an increase in the price of Ethereum. It is possible that the entire Bitcoin sector might be affected by this type of expansion. For Shiba Inu, what does this mean? Shiba Inu has a track record of success when the market for cryptocurrencies has been trending upward. Shiba Inu are likely to reap the benefits of the rising trend as well if Ethereum achieves its lofty goal. If the market is propelled forward by Ethereum's development, Shiba Inu's current valuation could experience significant increase. Because of this, Shiba Inu might reach new heights or perhaps surpass them. In this case, the market value of Shiba Inu might reach above $81 billion, which would be a huge achievement for this average currency. If Ethereum's market cap reaches $3 trillion, it might experience even more significant gains. Bitcoin often has a market cap that is more than 3 times larger than Ethereum. The value of Ethereum might reach $3 trillion, which would put Bitcoin's worth at about $500,000 per coin, if the latter reaches $10 trillion. There can be big changes for Shiba Inu and other meme currencies in that market. Shiba Inu saw tremendous growth during the previous bull cycle, and with a healthy market, there's a real chance for even greater returns. How do you see that situation? Post a remark down below. Your opinion would be greatly appreciated. Today has come to a close. Please don't forget to give it a large thumbs up. You may view our most recent content by subscribing and sharing it.